Hello everybody, once again. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Shakshuka. I think that's how it's pronounced. But I'm going to do it my own way. It's my own version because I'm going to put a little bit of ground beef. I already have it cooked, the ground beef. It's totally cooked. So, first of all, what we're going to start with, it's a little bit of olive oil in the pan. A little bit of olive oil. Okay, so we have one large onion chopped up here, and we're going to saute it. We're going to saute that onion first. This was a really large onion. Saute that onion for a few minutes until they're translucent. I think originally this recipe doesn't take meat at all, but I'm going to put a little bit of ground beef. And like I said, the ground beef is already cooked, so I'll add it later. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Lower the heat, and we're going to stir it in here a little bit. And now we add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Okay, and the second can of diced tomato. Okay, I'm also going to add some red peppers. And I also have here, these are pimentos, but they're in canned pimentos. I'm going to add a small can of that. And I'm also going to add a little bit of the juice that the pimentos come in. Okay, now I'm going to add some paprika. Chili powder, about a teaspoon of each. Okay, I have some crushed red pepper, which I'm not going to put too much of that. Cumin. Okay, a teaspoon of sugar. Stir all these ingredients. Salt. I'm putting sea salt. I didn't put that much, it's just not coming out. And pepper. And now I'm going to add the ground beef. And I cooked that meat, that ground beef, I cooked it with curry. So it's going to have a little bit of a curry taste. Oh my goodness, it looks great, just like this. Okay, we're gonna let it cook there for a little bit. We're gonna cover it up. We don't want it to reduce too much. Okay, so now we're gonna add the eggs. We're gonna lower the heat halfway. And we're gonna open a little hole and just throw an egg there. Open a little hole here. Throw an egg there. Hopefully the eggs won't break. So far they're doing good. Another one here. Okay, so now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna cover it so those eggs will cook complete. Leave it there for a few minutes. Okay, so here it is. It's finished. As soon as I put the lid on it, the eggs cook completely on the top as well. So now we're ready to eat. We're gonna serve it. So I cooked it for about 5 minutes before putting the eggs in there, and then about 3 minutes after I put the eggs. So now we're gonna eat. Here we are. Taste the paprika. And there it is. The eggs filling. And it's good. And here's Ivan eating the shakshuka.
I had already started eating chicken nuggets.
Yeah,
but
chicken
I wanted
nuggets.
to try what she made as well. So
The shakshuka
I'm having it with chips.
with chips. It's good, right? Something different.
Very tomatoey.
Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to share as well. And put that little bell for notification. May God bless you all and stay safe.